Okay, loads of words here. So sometimes that means there's going to be some easy marks to get you into it. But some maximum heart rate can be calculated using this formula. 220 take away the age in years. Table gives some information about peak cardio fat burn percentages. So I'm going to have to work out percentages of amounts. It's all about this maximum heart rate. So I've got to find this maximum heart rate. So it's 220 minus the age in years. I need to know age in, I've got age in years here. Zoe is 45 years old. Monitor, heart rate, time, got it, check the scales. Each one goes up by, from 70 to 80, and it's 1, 2, 3. Goes up by about 2.5 each time, and across this goes, each little square is worth 2. So I've got to use the formula to calculate Zoe's maximum heart rate, which is 220 minus how old she is, age in years, 45. And that is 175. So that's 1 mark. Estimate the number of minutes she spent working at cardio. Cardio here. Annotate the diagram, it'll help you a bit. Between 75 and 85%. So I need to do those. I'm going to do the top one first. 85% of her maximum heart rate, which just worked out is 175. However you want to do that, I'll do 0.85 times by 175. That's 148.75, and then we've got to work out the 70% of 175, and that's 122.5. I'm going to draw them on my graph because it shows I know what I'm talking about. 148, so nearly 150. Let's go across there, something like that. And the lower one's 122.5, so something like that. And we've got to estimate the number of minutes she spent working between those two lines. So if it's above the line, she doesn't count. If it's below the line, it doesn't count. So we've got from here, which is about 2, to there, which is about 8. So we've got 6 minutes there. And I suppose technically maybe a little bit out there, but I think I'm a bit low on that line. It's only an estimate anyhow. That's 12. And so she drops out there, which is probably about 23 actually. So that 12, that's 11 minutes there. Here she's in the cardio zone. Everything above the red line, but not here because that's out of the cardio, that's in peak. So it goes up to here, and that's 43. And that's 32, so that's another 11 minutes in there. And I suppose finally this bit between there and there is probably another 1 minute there. So that's 11, 22, 28, 29 minutes. And why did I write down 28? 29 minutes. My heart rate was in the exercise zone for 50 minutes. Well, the session was 50 minutes long. We need to find out what the exercise zone is. It's all this bit up here. But out of exercise zone, 50% of maximum heart rate. So 50% of max is 175 over 2, half of that, which is 87.5. Going to do that on my graph. I'll do that in purple. 87.5 is here. Does she stay above? No, she doesn't. Absolutely doesn't. Here, that bit there, she's below it. So for about 4 minutes, she's out of it. So out of it for 4 minutes. And a little arrow going to there. And that'll do. And that's 6 done.